In today's video, I'm going to share with you a piece of software which you can use to make money online. Using this, you can potentially earn $145 plus. You can also earn a lot more, and you can earn, a lot less. It will all come down to a few things: time, effort, and consistency. Now, for this method, we're going to be looking at this method up here for making money online, which is known as affiliate marketing. Now, the reason why I do affiliate marketing myself, why I recommend it to all of you, whether you're over on the website or whether you're, watching videos on YouTube, because you can earn money in a number of ways. You can also generate passive income from work you have done months and even years ago, and you can do all of this completely for free. And we'll come back to this article here in a little while. So first of all, let me share with you the piece of software, okay? And this is free. So if I come over here, this software is called cbsnooper.com. Now, it's free, it's awesome, and it will save you a lot of time and a lot of effort. But more importantly than that, this will help you pick up on trends which you can jump in and start to make some, very good money, as you're going to see in this video. So this piece of software here, it will help you find products quicker. You'll see the hot movers and shakers, and there's lots more information in here. But why I like this and I recommend this software to you is this here. We analyze the daily and weekly performance of every product and tell you which are moving the quickest. So basically, instead of you having to go over onto ClickBank and be messing about and going through lots of products and trying to potentially find something which is new or on the rise, you can use this software here and it will show you that information very quickly. So if you don't have an account, you just literally click on here, sign up. It's name, email, password, and you get access. Okay, so on the inside, this is what it looks like. So we have got the current top 5 products over on ClickBank, which you can find that on ClickBank itself. But more important, you've got the top 5 rising products, and you've also got the top 5 falling products. And then there's lots more information on here, so you can see, look, feedback from the blog and YouTube videos and lots more. But over on the left hand side down here, we can see we've got rising products, falling products, recurring. But let me show you this. So we'll go over here to rising products. So basically, this is all of the current products which are listed over on ClickBank. Where's it gone? Over here. The products which are listed over on here, and the rising, which means they're having more sales, and also potentially you can find a product which is just starting to have it's just starting to go into an upwards projection, and you can jump on that trend and start to earn some pretty decent money. So over on rising products, we can see at this moment in time, these are the current top. I think this is up to 100 products. Is it 100? No, 255 products which are rising on ClickBank. So you can see here, this is the current number 1 product which is rising over on ClickBank. And you can go through and find some, great products on here which you maybe wouldn't know about or even find on ClickBank if you was just to go to top offers. So if I click on top offers, this will list all of the best selling items. So like this one, T-Burn, this you can see, you can go through and have a look at these. Okay, but we're going to come back to these pages in a little while. So if we come back over here to inside of here, we literally you can go through and you can see gravity, so how many of the products sold, whether it's in a plus or a decline, the initial sale, how much you can make on the front end, the average sale, and then whether that product offers a rebill. So you can come through here and find some, pretty decent products. So you see this one over here, this Cytoburn, it's got $146.56. So if you, make a referral for this, you can potentially earn this from 1 sale per day. Now, if I scroll down here, you can see the overall rank of the product, the gravity, and when it was first listed. So what we can see here, look, first seen 2 months ago, April 2020. And when it was last seen. So this here is a relatively new product. You can see the overall gravity of this product, and the overall rank, where it was ranked on ClickBank, and we can see here gravity, which means sales. We can see it's going in upwards, in an upwards direction. come down here, we can see the initial earnings per sale and the average earnings per sale. So lots of information on the page here. You can also generate your link inside of here. Now, the cool thing about this is, right, so, I wouldn't potentially know about this product if I was over on ClickBank, and, I'd have to be scrolling through a lot of pages to find this. But what I can see here is, at this moment in time, the gravity of the product is going in an upwards, it's going in the right direction. So potentially, we could jump into this product here, start creating some content in a number of ways, which we'll come back to, and we can make some money. So first of all, let's just take this. So we highlight this here, and then we go back over to ClickBank over here, and I'm just going to paste that in here, because what I want to know is, what are they going to give us to promote this product? So we can see this is the product. We can also see they have an affiliate page, which is important for us because, if you're partnering up with someone or a product, you want the best tools and resources to promote that product. So we can see over here, this website, let's scroll down. So we can see payout information. What else have we got? Email swipes. So if I click on here, it will take me over to email swipes that we can use. And then what else have we got on here? It's not a lot, to be honest with you. I thought they'd include more stuff like images and other bits, but they have this page here, so we can use that. And basically, any products which you're looking at over on ClickBank, you want to make sure they have an affiliate page, so you can get more resources and tools from them. I mean, this page here, it's a bit light, but let's just go back and let's just have a look at another one. So 146, let's just go back over to ClickBank. Let's just click on the affiliate page for this one. And again, look, this is a bit better. Look, get links, pixels, email swipes, images, and lots more. So any product, any decent product will have an affiliate page because obviously someone's taken the time and effort to create this product. They're working with affiliates and they want to help you, obviously, send them sales because they'll make more money too. So we can see lots of information on here. So any product, always make sure they've got an affiliate page, and you can grab images on here and lots more. Now, if I come back over here onto this product over here, first of all, we can see it's on the increase. So what I would do at this point is I would take this and copy this, and I'd go over to Google, and I'd simply paste that into here and have a look. See, is this trending? How many people are searching for this? So I can see in a snapshot 110 people a month are searching for this product. If I come down here, we can see nothing's really been going on from 2013. But look at this. All of a sudden now in 2022, in May, up to 2,400 people a month are searching, this keyword over here. And if I look on the left-hand side of the screen over here, look, when was this done? This was done 5 days ago. Come down here, 3 days ago, 1 week ago. And that's it. So there's only a couple of YouTube videos, and then we've got some different review articles down here. So, with this product over here, huge potential with this. Not many videos on YouTube, not many articles over on Google. Let's go to page 2. Come down here, this one. Yes, realistically, I don't think this product would be that difficult to get to rank over on Google. I genuinely don't. Come a bit further down, and that's pretty much it. So, using this software, you can find a product. You can see, if it's going upwards, if it's going downwards, how much you can earn. You can also get your affiliate link directly inside of here. So what that means is, if I click on Generate Hop Link, I do that, put in the ClickBank ID here. So I just put in my ID from ClickBank, click on Copy to Clipboard, and then I'm going to come over here, paste and go. And then what happens is, it will take me to the sales page. Now notice up here, it says equals this, so it tracks back to ClickBank with your affiliate ID, and you can see up here, look, ClickBank Trusted Secure. So this link, which we have got inside of the software, will send people over to the sales page, which again is straightforward and simple. Now, once you've got your affiliate link and you've found a product, it then comes onto the part, which people dread, which is the content creation. Now, I'm going to drop a link down below to this website over here for you. Now, this is how people basically are earning thousands sharing products. Because look, once you've got a product and you want to start creating content around this, you don't go on Facebook and just start spamming it in comments and in groups like I've seen so many times on YouTube. Don't do that, it will just get you banned from groups. This article over here will share with you a number of ways that you can start creating content. You can do this in the form of a website, i.e. you can get a free website and create a review article about the product. You can use sites like Wealthy Affiliate, and again, it's a free website and you can start creating content for this. You know, that method works, but it does take time and effort. There are other options for you when it comes to affiliate marketing. Some of the really simple methods are like this down here. So let me just scroll down a bit for you. YouTube videos. So again, you can do a review of that product on YouTube. You don't have to be on camera. It's very straightforward. The benefit of doing a review video over on YouTube is that once you've done that video, it will be on YouTube forever. And you know, you can put out a video today which people are watching weeks, months, and even years down the line, and you could be earning money not just from that affiliate product, but from YouTube AdSense and many more. In fact, I've got a free YouTube course. I'll link that down below for you, and you can go down that route if you want. If I scroll further on the page here, we have also got Instagram. So you can do this exact method over on Instagram. And again, this article, it shares examples of this, how people are doing this. Scroll further on the page here, we have got Pinterest. We've also got Quora. You've got Twitter, and there's so many different ways you can do this. But essentially, with affiliate marketing, you find a product to promote. Once you've got that product, you then create content around that and you drive traffic to that sales page. And then you can take it a step further and build in email sequences, which is basically where you do the work once and an automated email sequence will get sent out for you. And a lot of the time over on ClickBank here, as we saw, like let me just go back into this product here, they will give you email swipes. So you can literally copy and paste these emails and put them into your autoresponder. It's straightforward, it's simple, and it genuinely isn't that hard. And most email autoresponders are now free, so you can get all of this can be done absolutely free with zero money. So that is a few different methods for you with this. But either way, if you're interested in affiliate marketing or making money with ClickBank, I highly recommend this piece of software over here. It's absolutely free, it's awesome, and like I say, you can potentially find some products which are just starting to, you know, trend and take off, and you can jump in, create content for them, and hopefully what will happen is over time, as you know, these products become more popular, your content that you've created will start to rank on YouTube, it will rank in the search engines, and you can make more money. So I'll drop links to everything we've spoken about down below for you. I'll link over to my free courses and lots more. But overall, that is today's video. Let me know, what do you think of this software? Do you like it? Are you using it yourself? Or are you going to use it also? So look, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.